This is what you call a flip. 10 keys from a car to brick. Bentley from his mama whip. K.O.D. he hard as shit. This is what you call a flip. 10 keys from a...
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a mukbang with colossal shrimp. Alright, okay, so let's get this thing popping. Alright, and by the way, if you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. So we have well, I have corn, my colossal shrimp, mussels, and y'all, I'm trying these potatoes. They're rose potatoes. First time trying them. And of course I have my lemon and lime, and then some fresh sauteed spinach, and my water, and what is this? Cran pomegranate? Cran mango. Alright, I'm back. Call interrupted. Anyways, let's eat. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Those are very good. Well, yeah, I know. That's delicious, y'all. This sauce be bumping, bumping. Ladies, leave your man at home. Ooh. It's spicy. Once again, I forgot my bag. Alright. I'm back. What did I do? Oh. I tried not to make the sauce so spicy this time because that crap will tear your stomach up. Sweet corn. Y'all, this sauce hot. Alright, this let's start with, go ahead and get some of these shrimp in our system. With the lime. Delicious. You hear me? Can you hear me now? Let's dip it again. Let's dip it again. I'm a beast when it comes to these seafood rolls. These are those jokers good. I think because they're so small, it makes them better. Rose potatoes. Got them from Publix. Y'all, I really don't be knowing what to talk about. So, in the comment section, drop down some y'all think I should talk about. Because because I like to talk, so I would love to talk to y'all about something, whatever y'all want to talk about, you know. I mean, not everything, but you know, don't get carried away. Don't get carried away. Zariah. Girl, I'm trying to eat. You got shit on that, girl. It's spicy, but it ain't that. It ain't that bad. Yo, these shrimp are steamed to perfection. You hear me? I'm talking about. I'm talking about. Whoosh. I can't drink that right now because it's gonna wash away all this stuff. Girl. Anything with cream in front of it, bumping. I promise you, like, they never let me down. Period. I know you want some. I know you want some of my food. Just hold on, I'm coming. All right, so Dariah wanted to say, stop it. Say, hey, look, mama. Dariah, look at the camera and say hello. Hey. Hey, YouTube. Dariah, you cannot have that, baby. Listen, that stuff is spicy. Okay, it's time for you to go. Okay, I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I probably shouldn't have done that. I probably shouldn't have done that. God, these mussels were pretty good. Like, it tastes like a smoked oyster. Shell so big. Okay. Just want to mess up my little clothes today. Okay. Alright, I guess I'll let y'all try this one. I'll put y'all some lamb in here. Delicious. Father God, for your God, I come to you today as humble as I know how. Okay, why am I playing? Don't mind. Don't mind. I'm sure y'all are wondering, what's this on my own? Okay, story time. Okay. That boy is crazy. You hear me? He don't want to be on camera, but that was funny. Anyways, story time. Okay, so here I am, pregnant, getting up, going to work, getting ready for it. So I'm like, damn, my shirt wrinkled. But you know when you're pregnant, you lazy, your mind already have gone, baby sucking you dry from everything. So I'm like, I do not feel like taking this shirt back off. So I'm about to iron this shirt while it's on me. Okay. So I get the iron, warming up, unhook and go in the bathroom. So, hold on. So I'm like, just doing it. And then I got startled. And so I said, listen, y'all, I kid you not. The line was, the mark was as thin as this fork. That shit turned to this. So now I got a line say it's a birthmark to people that's, you know, ask, you know, I just say something. Because I feel, I'm really embarrassed. But I've done that before. I've ironed clothes while they were on me. And I never done that. Like, telling y'all. Okay. Hold up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Put you a shirt on and come around here. Huh? Okay. That's my manager, y'all. Let me eat. But yeah, that's my story time. And I'm going to show y'all what happened yesterday, since I didn't get a chance to record it. I don't like snakes, y'all. Terrified. So I was playing around and I said, yeah, you can get a snake. It's okay. I'm perfectly fine with that. Okay. Let me get up and get my shoes on. I'm playing the whole time. Shit was turned out to be for real, y'all. So here we is going to the pet store. And I'm like, to myself the whole time, I'm like, I hope you know I was playing. Like, I hope we just going just to be going. Came back with a mother freaking snake, y'all. I've been handling it okay, though. I've been doing pretty darn good. Uh-oh. She just be wanting my attention, y'all. But I'm trying to eat. Go on and crawl, girl. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see what bust down. That shit was funny that you wrote on that paper. Y'all, they had already deveined them. Like, I ain't gonna take the spine out. That's some good shit. Bust down, Tatiana. I want to see you bust down. How many more shrimp I got? Yeah, I used a different butter for my sauce this time. It's some Irish butter. It's pretty good. Very freaking good. I'm gonna show y'all a snake in a minute. I'm kind of scared, but I'll show you. Show it to y'all. What was that? Whoa! My nose starting to ring. Run on down. Come on in the room. I want to go see that Medea movie. I don't eat pork. I drink smart water like I do. Damn. I was drinking that water. It be touching. A little guzzler thing in the back of your throat. Ooh, that's so delicious when you do it like that. I'm almost finished. Already. My nose, man. How's it? Alright. Alright, I got like just a tap. What go? Alright. I'm gonna eat it. Well. Okay. Hold on, I ain't got no more shrimp. Anyway. So, I'm gonna wash my hands. I got 2 mussels left. Y'all want them? Y'all can have them. Okay. Anyways, I'm fixing to wash my hands up. Show y'all this snake. I'm not holding it or anything. But 1 second. Be right back. See y'all, like, I'm recording this, but I'm not looking at it because I'm kind of scared right now, but bye. Alright, so that's the snake, y'all. Yeah. So, that concludes my video for today, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was bussin'. That was bussin'. So yeah, whatever. Please like this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Anyways, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will have more videos coming soon. Please drop down some topics you guys would like for me to discuss in the comment section. Yes. Anyways, okay. Bye, y'all. Sad is your name now. I don't